Okay, we have a Fadal 4-axis vertical machining center model VMC 3016L, serial number 12001012005. Machine was new in 2001. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a 7,500 RPM Cat 40 spindle. You have a 20 ATC umbrella style tool changer. You have linear ways, 30 inches of X travel, 16 of Y, 20 of Z. We're running right now, 500 RPM, 1500. Changing to the other range. How many thousand? 3,000. 4,500 RPM. Okay. Simulating a tool change, or actually doing a tool change. Do Z. Again, you have 20 inches of Z. Y. And your X, which you have 30 inches of X. Then you also have your B axis, which is a 5C. Okay. All right, so you've seen the XYZ and your 4th axis move. You saw the spindle go. Its machine is original paint. It does have coolant. Hey, thank you for watching our video.